Welcome to this tutorial on creating modules in Canvas. Modules help you organize course content into structured sections, making it easier for students to navigate. Let's get started. First, navigate to your course and click on Modules in the left-hand menu. Click the plus module button at the top right. Enter a name for your module. Make sure it clearly represents content inside. Click Add Module. Your module now appear in the list. To add content, click the plus icon next to the module title and select the type of content you want to add, such as assignments, files, or discussions. You can reorder content by dragging and dropping items within the module. That's it. You've successfully created a module in Canvas. Organizing your course materials this way makes it easier for students to stay on track. Thank you for watching.